morning, busy regard. My name is Camilo, and I'm 19 years old. I'm going to Driving Auto Draft. I'm going to Seller. And the Driving is a bit ugly aesthetically, but it has a great marriage. First, I drive two faces in two different ways. What this means is that they have two perspectives and how they see the world. Each one is nouns in problems, but one looking for the possible in the things on the other for the negative and how it can affect their surroundings. Advantage is already driving aesthetically, but it has a very nice mirage. It shows sometimes innovate and allow you to infer many things. 3. Each of the drawings show use of feeling found is everyday life. The complementary foreigns make is extremely attractive. 5. This drawing is for a person who sees more than some figure in an environmental context. 6. The ambiental environment can give to peace of mean every day you look at it. Thank you.